Recently, the United States government mandated that all musicians must use my audio services, recording, mixing, and mastering, for the safety of the community. Therefore, I have received an influx of business. Lots and lots of money is coming my way, although it is free for the musicians, and by free I mean covered by taxpayers. But anyway, I wanted to spend $100,000 at Sweetwater, and here's how I'm going to spend it. This is the short version of the video. If you want to see the longer version where I go into details about each product and go over a lot more products, then check that video link in the description and the pinned comment. Otherwise, enjoy this short video. If you thought I was going to start with microphones and audio interfaces, you were wrong. What every recording studio needs, first and foremost, is great sounding instruments. So, I want to start off with drums, and in this case, off the recommendation of Glenn Fricker, I'm going to look for the Pearl Master Series. I think I'll go with Piano Black. Let's go with Piano Black. Just add that right to the cart. With anything drum related, you also need cymbals, right? They're charging $300 for this thing. Are you serious? Let's see what the Paiste or Paiste, I always say that name wrong. Oh, what happened? No! I'm trying to spend money! Take my money! Signature Series. Yep. These are the exact ones I want for my brand new drum kit. And I don't think they have a rev generator, but I'll go with this. Everything is hammer weighted. I don't want a... Wait, here we go. This might be it. This might be what I want. Does it come with a pedal? Yeah, well, it has pedal inputs. Let's do this one. I already have a keyboard stand. I'll just use that. It's a very good keyboard stand. You know what? It's always good to have a power supply on hand as well. I just saw that, in case you lose it or something. Anything electronic, if the power supply goes, it's a dead session at that point. So, okay, so I couldn't find it on Sweetwater, but Xfer Serum and also Silent. Should I go with a 5-string? All right, we'll go with blue and black. Looks nice. Probably sounds great. We'll go with this one. It's classic. It's classic. Why not? Bet you guys thought I was going to go with the $5,000 one, right? No. That's not how I roll. Is this one... Which one's better? Is this one the better one? Alright, you know what? I'll just buy this one. It's a few more $100 compared to the VR, but this looks like the better option. Alright, let's go for the Big Daddy. Alright? The Big Daddy. The API, the box. Oh yes. You need a centerpiece for your studio. And even though I could afford something bigger than this, I think this is enough. And it has built-in 500 modules. Or not built-in, but yeah, they're modules, so I can put whatever I want in there, which is really nice. Look at all those ins and outs. I like the API sound. Are you kidding? Of course I love that high fidelity, punchy API sound. Alright, so the UFX Plus seems to be the best one to get. Temporarily out of stock. You have to be kidding me. Gosh darn supply chain issues. It is a very flexible audio interface. I think one of the coolest things is it has a backup recorder, so I believe you can record not just to your digital audio workstation software, but also directly to a USB stick as a backup. That's really cool. But unfortunately, I can't buy it. They're out of stock. This supposedly sounds better than an LA2A, so I've been told. And it's out of stock, of course. Oh boy. It's called the B172A. And apparently it is also out of stock. Gosh darn it. a unique thing to have. Oh wow, Slate Digital, or really Slate Pro, are still selling their Dragon compressor. Let's take a look at it. 3 character settings. Not bad, not bad at all. I don't know a lot of people that have this compressor, so just for that alone, I think it would be interesting to have one. Seems like it has a lot of options. Anything with a lot of options I usually like, if it's options that don't get in the way of getting a good sound. Crane Song is a brand that I really don't talk about very much because I honestly don't have any experience with them, other than I know that they are quite high-end stuff. I've heard that this one is like along the lines of what people think an LA2A is supposed to sound like. And I'm kind of curious to try it out. I do want an SE microphone. I want the SE8s. I'm very happy with the SE7. Oh, look, here we go. Speaking of the SE8, all right, I'll put those in there. That's cool looking. Look at that. Looks like old microphones. Oh, I love that chrome. That is so cool looking. All right, yeah, I was going to buy the SE8 anyway, but oh yeah, definitely put this one in the cart. Of course I like SE Electronics microphones. Hello! Not just because I've had a friendly relationship with them, but they are great sounding microphones. The ones that I've heard. Wasn't a huge fan of the SE2200, the newer one, but the SE7, awesome. The V7X, awesome. So I can only imagine the SE8 is quality stuff as well, based off of what I've read. A lot of people say they're up there with the Neumann KM184s, so good stuff. Let's find some monitors. Like, really, let's get some really good speakers. And to be honest with you, even though I have a virtually unlimited budget, I like IK Multimedia's iLoud speakers. And I'm going to go with the MTMs. I know that sounds crazy, but I just have very good experience with them. I trust the brand. And, you know, why not? Can I get 2 of these in a bundle? Like, why do I have to buy? Okay, so this comes with Total Studio 3. I'll just buy the bundle because why not? Comes with a pair. And yeah, just what I need. So I'll get those, and I mean, I could get the Sennheiser ones. Actually, you know what? I'm going to get the Neumanns as well. But primarily I'll mix on these near fields. And Neumann has their own KH80. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. These are the ones I saw at the AES show, I believe. So it comes with a measurement microphone and 2 speakers. All right, let's go with the PRS Custom 24, the all black. Here's a new brand I never heard of, Caparison. All right, I'm going to go with an ESP, one of these, and then I want to get a Strat. The idea with buying these guitars is that if someone comes to my studio, I want them to have a better guitar playing experience than what they probably have. So for the Strat, I'm going to go a little higher in the price than I probably should. So let's go with one of these Time Machine ones. I don't like the black color. Let's go with the classic Starburst. Maybe. Let's definitely go with this guitar. For the PRS, we're going to go with this one. Just the all black design. Very, very cool. Comes with a case, it looks like. And then ESP. Let's see what kind of pickups this has in it. I'm going to go with a 7-string for the ESPs. I want something that's different. I think I'll go with this. War Pig Humbuckers. Yeah. If you're not familiar with the Pultec EQ, awesome on kick drum, awesome on vocals, awesome on just... I like to use it even on acoustic guitar. Yes, I've used the real one on Access Analog, and they sound great. Yes, they have 2 of them on Access Analog, and I like to have one while I'm recording. Simple as that. What's this? MotorCity EQualizer. I am intrigued. Is this something from like Motown or something? Yep. It is a reproduction of a 1960s design built in-house at Motown Studios in Detroit, Michigan. You know what? I'm gonna add it to the cart. Oh, pre-order. All right, I'll pre-order it then. Oh, the little freak. You know what? This is a lot of people don't know about this equalizer, and I'm a big fan of the little freak. Look at that. Look at those options. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put this in the cart. Unfortunately, it's sold out. Let's see what kind of ins and outs it has. Okay. All right. That works for me. I don't know the difference between this and the other one. But since it's more money, I'm going to get this one. Now, what does that do? It makes your vocals sound awesome. That's what it does. And other things, too. It's one of the best darn delays in the entire world. I believe it has reverb, too. Let's take a look at... Actually, no, let me make sure I clicked the right one. So this is the H9000. And I honestly don't know. I think this one has a screen on it. Is that why it's more money? Anything else? Oh, I need a rack. I don't want to have to bend down. I could just put stuff on top of something else, right? Well, here we go. Angled and vertical. I like it. You have the option. It doesn't come with screws. Are you serious? I mean, is there anything else I need? It's a very simple design. So it has wheels. Again, I don't want to have to just bend my back too much. So I'll get one of these. Oh, a patch bay. I should get a patch bay. Flock Audio digitally controlled analog patch bay. As interesting as that sounds, $11,000. Woo! Yeah, I'm going to have to pass on that. Oh, wait a minute. Here's one that has, it's 64. 64-point digitally controlled. All right, I will go with this one then. So I'm going to need a bunch of DB25s cables. Okay. Soldering kit. Here we go. Maybe I can get everything in one. Guitar setup kit. String cutter, string winder. You know what? I'm sold. May as well learn how to do this myself, you know? If you don't know what a reamper is, or reamping device, essentially it allows you to record a guitar direct and then play it back from your audio interface and then run it into this reamp device, and then the reamp device goes into your guitar amp so you can record an actual amp after the fact. The idea is that if you didn't have a great guitar tone to begin with, as long as you have the direct recording, you can always change the tone later, so it's an actual amp. All right, one more scroll through. This is going to be one heck of a studio, guys. I guess I could have bought a 500 series rack, but I just didn't find it very necessary at this point. I basically have a 500 series rack in the API box, so yeah. Very well-rounded set of equipment. And, you know, I hope some of you guys out there got some ideas of what to buy for your studio, and you know, some of the better things out there. Now, what I'll do before I actually buy this stuff is I'll go through, and if there's something that's redundant, like I noticed that I had some mastering equalizers, so I'll actually, like, I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know if that'll reset my page again or not, but you know, there's just different things that I don't actually need 100%. I mean, really, the Muse EQ probably is good enough, but I like having options. Yeah, see, it restarted it. So let's go to the Muse EQ. Yep. And I honestly, I mean, that's $7,000. Do I really need it? I have enough plugins, and also the Bracasti. Do I really need that? I have enough reverb plugins to last me a lifetime. But, you know, things like the Furman power, the uninterruptible power supply, definitely want that. Definitely want that. And actually, I need 3 of these, so hold on. What else? The reamp. That's a pretty cool thing to have. The mic splitter. Most people don't need that, but I do for real home recording. And I think that's it. $206,000 worth of stuff. That's chump change. But in all seriousness, yeah, this video is not true. You know, obviously there is no mandate, and I don't have $200,000 just to burn. But yeah, there's some dream things on here. There's actually things I could afford to buy, and you know, there's a lot more that I could buy. But for now, that's it. If you guys want me to do another one of these kind of videos, then let me know. But yeah, that was pretty long. So, woo! I think what I'm gonna do is put a smaller video on Real Home Recording 1, and then Real Home Recording 2, I'll put like the whole thing. All right. Anyway, see ya.